Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start our second term syllabus from 6th chapter with the topic school days. Dear students, do you enjoy going to school? Say yes or no. Have you encountered any unforgettable event during your school days? Share with your classmates an unforgettable experience that you have had in school. Dear students, today I will tell you a story about a little Maria who had interest in science. Maria's sister and brother always teased her at her habit of shut all the sounds around her. One day as she was studying in school with other border children, their children had an idea. They put chairs surrounding her, but Maria was unaware of this activity due to her habit of mind locked. Children made a pyramid of chairs around her. But when Maria prepared to get up, she was shocked and surprised. But the children giggled at her. Maria walked out angrily from the room. This habit helped her to become a greatest scientist. Okay, dear students, after telling you about the story, let's start reading of chapter 6 with the topic school days. Even from an early age, little Maria Skłodowska had an interest in science. The meaning of interest is fascinate, and the second meaning is attentiveness. Marie Curie, as she later came to be known, became the first woman to win a Nobel Prize and the first person ever to win two of them. Dear students, Nobel Prize is an international prize awarded annually for outstanding work in physics, chemistry, physiology or medicine. Maria was teased by her brothers and sisters for studying all the time and for her ability to shut all the sounds around her when she was reading. As I told you earlier that Maria had an habit of shut down all the sounds while studying. One day as the Skłodowska children along with the other boarders studied together at the dining room table, they came up with an idea. Dear students, the meaning of teased is made fun of. उर्दू में हम कहेंगे किसी का मजाक उड़ाना. And the meaning of dining room is a room in a house in which meals are eaten. घर का वो कमरा जिसमें खाना खाया जाता है. They put a chair on each side of Maria's. Then they put another chair behind her. The meaning of behind is at the back of. Children put chair at the back of Maria. Next they staked two more chairs on the top of first three. The meaning of stake is assembled or arranged. Finally, they laid a chair on top of all of them. Maria was surrounded by a pyramid of 6 chairs. The meaning of surrounded and pyramid is encircle. घेर लेना, हल्का बना लेना, दायरा बना लेना. And the meaning of pyramid is structure with a square or triangle base. For half an hour, Maria kept on reading, unaware of the giggling children. The meaning of giggling is chuckle or laugh in a silly way. बेवकूफ़ाना तरीके से हंसना या मजाक उड़ाना. As Maria closed her book and prepared to get up, she pushed back her chair and the pyramid came crashing down. The meaning of crashing is breaking or falling. टूट जाना या गिर जाना. The pyramid that the children made around her fault. Maria was startled, but the mischief makers howled with laughter. The meaning of startled and the meaning of startled is surprised or sudden shock, and the meaning of howled is cried, yelled. Maria gathered her books and walked out angrily. Maria never forgot the pyramid of chairs and her ability to keep her mind locked on what she was doing. This helped her to become one of the greatest scientists of the world. Dear students, Maria never forgot her habit of mind locked, and with the help of this habit she became a greatest scientist of the world. Dear students, you read all the chapter and the meaning with me, so you have to learn all the meanings that you taught in this lesson. Allah Hafiz.